Okay, we're back with It's My House. And here you see on the top of the hood two pineapples from our pineapple patch over there. This one's ready. That one's ready. A week ago it was like this. Maybe a week and a half ago it was this color green. I just picked this one about 2 or 3 minutes ago. But in about a week or so, it'll be like this. This one, we're going to probably take a couple of slices off it in the morning and eat it fresh and juice the rest of it. And then in a week and a half or so, we'll do the same with this one. But this is freshly picked, homegrown Florida pineapple. Okay, from It's My House.